Okay, slide number 6. The answers are right next to the questions. So how many columns are there? There are 18, and these columns are called groups. Slide number 7. So it says place a red line through the elements in period 2. So you have to place your red line like this, and the blue line through the group 17. So you need to change the direction and place it right there in group 17. Okay, slide number 8. Elements in period 3, group 15. So period 3 is the third row, and group 15 is this column. So if you can compare with a regular periodic table, so you can just move your circle to that spot. Number 2, circle the elements in period 5, group 2. So using the same logic, period 5 is the fifth row, and group 2 is the second column. Okay, the elements in the purple box are called representative elements because they have the regular patterns. Slide 11 shows the Bohr models and the Lewis dot diagrams of the first 20 elements. And if you look at the pattern, it shows that for Bohr model, as you go down, the more and more electron shells are added. And as you go to the right, the electron shells stay the same, but you're just adding the electrons to the same shell. For Lewis dot diagrams, if you look at number, in the first column, number of the valence electrons remain the same, but as you go to the right, the number of valence electrons are increasing by 1 as you move from left to right. So in slide number 10, there are questions regarding what I just said. So I highlighted the answers for your reference, so you can pause and write that in your slide. Okay, so this slide shows the answers for question 1 and 2. So 3 electron shells, which means you have to find the third row, and 4 valence electrons. So you gotta remember to skip the middle, but count fourth column from left. So that's the answer for that. And question 2, 6 valence electrons. Again, skip the middle and find the 6th column. And fourth shell, so you have to find the 4th row. Okay, which gives you SC as an answer. Okay, for slide number 13. Okay, so I'm showing you the answers using the same logic. Just have to remember that the elements with the full valence electron are the noble gases. And if the carbon has 4 valence electrons, that means everything else below that also has the same number of valence electrons as carbon. Okay, so I already typed the answers for this slide. So make sure you pause, try it first, and double check the answers and see if you understand everything.